Good morning, students. Today in your math class, I will start with chapter 5, division, word problems. As you have done word problems in addition, in multiplication and in subtraction also. And in each and every class, I have told you the keywords. Keywords means कि हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमने इस सम में डिवीजन करनी है या प्लस करना है, माइनस करना है या मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So in every class I have told you the keywords. So today I will tell you the keywords of division. Shared equally, जब हम किसी चीज़ को equally divide करते हैं, that shared equally वो divide होता है. Half, किसी चीज़ को half करना, divide करना. Divide, obviously divide करना. How many on, कितने होंगे. And to solve only one thing. When we solve the question, then there is mention only that we have to solve the one thing, evaluate one thing. It means that जब हमने किसी क्वेश्चन में एक चीज़ निकालनी है, हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें given है, but we have to evaluate one thing, so we will divide. So in this class I have given two questions to solve the division. How we will solve that? So my first question is, हरीश bought 160 oranges. हरीश ने 160 संतरे खरीदे. I will tell you Hindi side by side so that you can understand the meaning of question. He divided them equally among his 4 brothers. उसने 160 oranges जो हैं वो अपने 4 brothers में equally divide किए. Now he has used the word divide, equally, among, so it means that we will do division here. How many oranges did each brother get? एक ब्रदर को कितने oranges मिले? I repeat, Harish bought 160 oranges. He divided them equally among his 4 brothers. How many oranges did each brother get? So first of all, we will write the statement. Number of oranges is equal to 160. Number of brothers is equal to 4. Each brother gets. अब एक भाई को कितने oranges मिलते हैं? 160 is divided by 160 is divided by 4. 160 is divided by 4. So what will we do? We will write the division sum in the form, in the symbol of this. 160 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. First of all, we will see this 1. हम ये 1 देखेंगे. 1 is smaller than 4. It means 1 doesn't come in the table of 4. So what will I do? I will take these two numbers. The number is 16. Now, does 16 come in the table of 4? Yes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. It means that 16 comes at 4 in the table of 4. So I will subtract here. 16 minus 16 is 0. Now you can see that here one more 0 is there. So I will put 0 here. So 40. 40 is the answer. It means that one brother will get 40 oranges. How many oranges did one brother get? One brother got 40 oranges. Now come to the second question. 203 books of the same thickness are arranged on 7 shelves. How many books does each shelf hold? 203 बुक्स हैं जो सेम थिकनेस मीन्स इक्वल है. थिकनेस मीन्स उनकी जो घनता है. घनता मीन्स एक उतनी ही मोटी है और इक्वली दूसरी भी उतनी ही मोटी है. तो 203 किताबें ऐसी हैं जिनकी सेम थिकनेस है और उनको 7 शेल्फ पे अरेंज किया गया है. फिर आपको ये बताना है कि एक शेल्फ पे कितनी बुक्स हैं ईच. अब हमने एक चीज निकालनी है. इट मीन्स दैट वी विल डू डिवीजन हियर. नाउ सपोज दीज आर द 7 शेल्फ. So अब इन 7 शेल्फ पे 203 बुक्स अरेंज करके रखी हुई हैं। अब आपने ये बताना है कि एक शेल्फ पे कितनी बुक्स आएंगी। अब एक शेल्फ का निकालने के लिए वी विल डिवाइड, सी नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इज इक्वल टू 203, नंबर ऑफ शेल्फ इज इक्वल टू 7, ईच शेल्फ होल्ड्स 203 is divided by 7. So I will do division here. Now I will take 20 because 2 is smaller than 7. So we can't divide 2 with 7. So 20 I will take. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 20 is greater than 14, so I will write 14 here. I will do subtraction. Now we have done this zero sum. Now 0. Can we subtract 4 from 0? No, we can't subtract. What will I do? I will go to the next digit. Next digit means 2. So first I will go to 2 and I will ask from 2, can you give me 1? Can you give borrow me? Can you give 1 borrow to me? Then he will say yes, you can take 1 from me and you will be 10 now. So if 2 has given 1 borrow to 0, then how many numbers are remaining there? 1. Because out of 2, if I will give one thing to you, so one thing in this thing is left there. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will bring this 3 here, the number is 63. So now I will speak the table in my mind कि 7 की टेबल में 63 कहाँ आता है. Then 7 9s are 63. I will write 9 here and I will subtract 63 from 63. The remainder is 0. My answer is 29. It means that in one shelf I will keep 29 books. 29, 29, 29, 29, 29. So students, today we have done the word problems of division, and today I have done only the thing that how will you come to know that we will do the division here. So watch this video carefully, learn the keywords and do the sums carefully and practice a lot. Thank you.